In this HTML tutorial, we would cover the comments tag. The comments tag is used to place comments in your HTML markup. It is important for serving reminders to yourself, and also when you are collaborating with other developers, it would give useful information on your HTML markup. Stay tuned and let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at comments in HTML. Comments are used in HTML to put important reminders for ourselves and for other developers. The comments that are put in HTML are not visible to the end user. It's only visible in the code. So to create a comment in HTML, we use a less than sign, exclamation mark, dash dash. Then we place our comment here. And then another dash dash greater than. So that's how a comment is placed. Note that you could also place several lines of comment. So we can actually just send this down, put a line of comment here, another line of comment here. So you could actually put it in multiple lines and it's the same thing. But to further demonstrate, I would quickly place some code here for us to demonstrate how to create comments. So if we place this code here, and mainly we can decide to put some comments here. So let's call this, let's put a comment here and say, note that once I don't close off the comment and it begins, it immediately affects all the code that is below it. But once I close it off like this, it no longer affects it. Take note of that. So it means that you need to always close off with the dash dash greater than sign. So let's say this is a comment and I close it off. So this is not visible to the web browser. So for instance, when I refresh, you realize that we have all these text here, and where we have our heading tag and our first paragraph, where we put our comment in between, we realize that the comment is not showing. So comments are not visible in your HTML code. If you have learned something and you like this video, give it a like. Consider also subscribing. We very much appreciate your support and your listenership. Thank you very much.